Lately, I've been receiving texts from different hosts who've become agents, trying to find out how one can recharge their coins trading account. And the purpose of me doing this video is to actually shed some light on how to actually go about that. Frankly speaking, when I became an agent, I actually lost $200 because I didn't know how to go about this. So I hope this one will serve you from making the same mistake that I made. So first things first, you have to become an agent, and then you click in the bottom right so as to access your profile. So this is where we are. So then where do you click if you want to recharge your coins trading account? So what you do is you check around for coins trading. So this is the one here. You click it and boom, you will land here. So where do you need to click for you to now recharge your account? You click here where it reads top up, and you see the methods via which you can actually load your account. So if you happen to spend $100, you're going to be credited with 920,000 coins. If you go by $500, you're going to have 4,750,000 coins. You can also go by USDC crypto coin, or you go by USDT. Okay, you simply choose the number of coins that you have to recharge your account with, and boom, you're good to go. So if we go by USDT, I'm gonna click here, and we're gonna see here the available methods. We have BNB Smart Chain, and that's Binance, right? BEP20, or you can go by, so they're saying 1 USDT is equal to 9,900 coins. And then you select the network here. One thing which is very important here, it's very important because once the networks are different, you will lose your coins. So let's go by TRC20 because that's the one that you're used to. You click choose and then click confirm. So what you need to do is you swipe up and then you copy the address here. Once you copy the address, you head on to Binance or the crypto wallet where you have crypto. All right, so I'm on Binance. What I'll do is I'll click assets in the bottom right, and then click send. So here I need to go by the second option, withdraw crypto. I'm withdrawing from Binance, sending it to Poppo, and then I select USDT. That's the crypto that I'm sending to Binance. And then the next thing which is very important is selecting the network. When I select the network here, remember we had selected TRC20, so the network here has to be TRC20. I emphasize on this, do not swap the networks because you will lose your coins and you can't reverse your loss. Okay, so on top there I click hold and then paste the address that I'd copied from Binance, and then when I'm done with that, I can now type in the amount of USDT that I want to send. Is it 100? Is it $500? 500, and then click withdraw. Okay, so they're saying you actually be charged 1 USDT as the gas fee. Gas fee is actually the fee which is deducted for transference of crypto from one wallet to the other. The rest that will follow will have to do with authentication, rather, so that you authenticate the withdrawal of crypto, and within 10 minutes or 5 minutes, even less than that, your crypto will actually land on Poppo Live, and you'll be good to go to start trading your coins. If you've learned one or two things, like this video, share it with one who might need this information. I'll see you in the next one.